guys, today I will be making Korean traditional glass noodle dish, japchae. You can skip some of the ingredients here and add other vegetables or meat to your preference. For example, if you don't like the oyster mushroom, then you can use shiitake or black fungus mushroom instead. Heat up a pan with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna saute the veggies that we prepared. Lastly, saute the mushroom and spring onion. Add 2 pinch amount of salt. Move on to the final and the most essential ingredient for japchae. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce into the boiling water. Add in the soft glass noodle. I place it in room temperature water over 20 to 25 minutes. Boil it around 1 minute until you can see the noodles are clear and soft. Now I'm going to season the cooked spinach with some salt. Finally, it's time to put together all the ingredients and add some flavor to the noodle. Three big tablespoons of soy sauce. Korean sesame oil. I drizzle around 4 tablespoons amount. You need to taste first and add more seasoning. More soy sauce, salt, and sugar.